The time when God chose me, I be the acting head of department for mathematics for University of Ilorin. Na very hard decision, especially because I just break my family free from poverty. Correct person there. I welcome you to this ogbonge channel, Favours Blog, where they give you better things, where they build you up both physically and spiritually. Here we dey make sure say everybody dey grow together for this life. They say na hand wash and na hand till they clean. Either the matter they be. This is the first time when you dey join us, or you don't join us before, but you never do the needful. What will be the needful? Hit the subscribe button. Touch that will be like bell for notification bell. So anytime we drop video, because one of the first persons to know say better don't share on top Favours Blog. As the matter dey hot, we could dive right into wetin we bring up for you today. No go anywhere, we dey come back. This na Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Wednesday, wey be the 3rd of May 2023. Our topic for today na criteria for promotion, part 2. Our Bible reading, they come from the book of 1 Kings chapter 19 from 19 to 21 and 2 Kings chapter 2 verse 15. Our memory verse, they come from 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 6. And that will tell us, say, bring yourself down under the hand of God, so that when the time reach, only Him go lift you up. Make we enter the message proper for today. God, they really promote people where you not really imagine say na them Him go promote. 1 Corinthians chapter 1, 26 to 29. However, once in a while, He will just decide to promote person where they still get some achievement for ground. Before they promote all those kind of people first, He dey first remove everything where they get, where they don't achieve by themselves. Then He go come begin to promote them to a level where they higher than what they get before. The thing dey sad, say some people not ready to go through this process. As such, they go miss out of the great promotion where God don prepare for them for planet Earth. When God chose Elisha to be the greatest prophet of his time, Elisha na already successful farmer, and before you know, he got turned homeless. And he also turned boy for prophet where he get wahala with king. God carry him from a high estate when he did to a very low one, and he submit himself, he humble himself to the process. When God chose me, I be the acting head of mathematics department for University of Ilorin. I've already achieved plenty things, considering the fact that I come from a very poor background. And now God got us say, leave everything. Come go become general overseer of church. Will be like say their monthly income as at that time dey less than my entire salary for 1 month. A very hard decision for me, because I just break my family out of poverty. But thank God say I answered the call and I submit to the process. Today, God by His own grace and strength don lift me high above anything I for fit ever get for my academic career. Once God sees say you prefer His will to your achievements and your ambitions, He go promote you. The person wey don enjoy the highest promotion from God na Jesus Christ. He himself, he be already the Son of God before He start His earthly ministry. Na Him be the Word. The Bible say the whole earth was made by Him. John chapter 1 verse 3. He don already be big boy, but He humble Himself. Not only say He come this life as human being, but even come to the point of death for cross. God promoted us so much so that at the mention of His name, every knee for heaven, for earth, and for bottom of the earth go bow, and every tongue go confess na Him be Lord. Philippians chapter 2 from verse 9 to 10. My advice for you today is very simple. Humble yourself before God, and when time reach, only He go promote you. Today, we could think about this one. If God asks you, like the rich man for Luke chapter 18 verse 22, to sell everything wey you get and follow Him, wetin you go tell am? Na Pastor E.A. Adeboye, wey be the general overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God. Now him write this Open Heavens daily devotional. God bless you. I welcome you back from that betalicious session. How you find that? Talk to you. It makes sense. Abi? It makes sense. All right, now I beg, hit the subscribe button so that you could be part of this family. Like this video, don't forget to like the video. Drop your comment and don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. It is show for your screen like this now. Follow us for TikTok. If you want to join our WhatsApp group, make you drop message for the comment section. Message us your number. We go add you join our WhatsApp group. You know how the matter they be. So we'll come your way, go to another betalicious ogbonge video. Don't forget this is Still Favors blog, and I'm me, your sister, your home girl, Lawu Favor. I dey run the show together with you, my esteemed subscribers.